Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of smart home cleaning. We will be comparing the Tikom Robot Vacuum and the Lefant M210P Robot Vacuum Cleaner. These robot vacuums are packed with features to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. So, let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The Tikom Robot Vacuum is priced at $299, while the Lefant M210P Robot Vacuum Cleaner comes in at $209. That's a $90 difference in favor of the Lefant M210P. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the Lefant M210P might be the way to go. Both robot vacuums come with impressive cleaning technologies. The Tikom Robot Vacuum boasts a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature. With its electronically controlled water pump and adjustable water output, you can enjoy a completely clean home. On the other hand, the Lefant M210P features upgraded Freemove Technology 3.0. This technology allows the robot vacuum to sense obstacles and avoid falling down stairs or getting stuck. It's a great feature for those with multiple levels in their homes. When it comes to cleaning modes, both robot vacuums offer a variety of options. The Tikom Robot Vacuum comes with 5 cleaning modes: Smart Clean, Edge Clean, Spot Clean, Random Clean, and Manual Clean. You can easily control these modes through the app, Alexa, or Google Home. The Lefant M210P, on the other hand, offers even more cleaning modes, including Arranged Cleaning, Zigzag Route, Random Cleaning, Spot Cleaning, Wall Cleaning, Schedule Cleaning, and Manual Control Direction. It gives you the flexibility to choose the mode that suits your cleaning needs. Suction power is an essential factor to consider when choosing a robot vacuum. The Tikom Robot Vacuum boasts a strong 2700 PA suction, making it ideal for short and medium pile carpets as well as hardwood floors. It also has a carpet boost feature that automatically increases suction power on carpets for deeper cleaning. The Lefant M210P, on the other hand, offers a powerful 2200 PA suction. It's specifically designed for pet owners, with a brushless suction mouth that effectively tackles pet hair and debris. Battery life and auto-recharging capabilities are crucial for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The Tikom Robot Vacuum features self-charging technology, automatically returning to its charging station once the battery is low. However, the Lefant M210P takes it a step further with improved auto-recharging efficiency. It can run for up to 120 minutes on a single charge, and will navigate back to the charging station when cleaning is finished or the power supply is low. This ensures that it's always ready for your next cleaning session. Smart connectivity is becoming increasingly popular in home appliances. Both robot vacuums offer app control, allowing you to schedule cleaning sessions, view real-time cleaning maps, and more. The Tikom Robot Vacuum can also be connected to Alexa and Google Home for voice control. The Lefant M210P takes it a step further by expanding its Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi distribution network, making the connection easier, faster, and more stable. It's compatible with the Lefant app, Alexa, and Google Assistant, giving you multiple options to control your cleaning routine. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop G8000 model is a highly effective and efficient cleaning companion. It offers outstanding cleaning capabilities, including advanced mapping technology and powerful suction for thorough cleaning on both hard floors and carpets. The dual mopping system effectively cleans and polishes floors, and the water flow control allows for optimal results. The vacuum has a large dustbin and long battery life, with a smart return-to-charge feature. It offers multiple cleaning modes, has a sleek design, and operates quietly. Overall, it is a worthwhile investment for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient robot vacuum and mop. That wraps up our comparison between the Tikom Robot Vacuum and the Lefant M210P Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Both products have their unique features and advantages. The Tikom Robot Vacuum excels in 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping, while the Lefant M210P offers a budget-friendly price, powerful suction, and improved auto-recharging efficiency. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.